What is up, YouTube? For the past 3 months I've been testing different crypto games almost every single day, and honestly, most of the time it feels completely random. Sometimes you get good rewards, sometimes you waste hours for absolutely nothing, and I thought that just was a part of the game until I found one tool that completely changed the way I play. So it made everything feel way more consistent, way more predictable, and honestly, way more easier to manage. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this tool is and how I've been testing it myself. As always, guys, this video is for educational entertainment purpose only. I'm making this video for my subscribers and just friends. So let's dive right in. So the tool what I'm gonna test today is called Minus Predictor, and it works nice with the game, so I can use it on my phone or a computer, but I personally prefer my phone. So today I'm gonna test it live, and in fact, the difference it makes is insane, guys. You have to see to understand. So let's jump right in the live test right now, because I'm about to show you exactly how this tool works. Alright, so all I need, just make a small quick preparation here and just change your settings. And now, guys, what I need to do is just follow the pattern what I see on the picture. So watch carefully, guys. I don't even have to guess. I just copy it. And look at this. The first and the second. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. Oh my god, that's a next level. Oh my freaking god, guys. Oh my god. So to show it even more, I'm gonna send it back and show you everything in real time, guys. I just need to grab my information there. So all I just need my account, and it takes like 10 seconds to take the information. So I'm gonna literally copy the information what I need and going back to the game. So all here, I just need to paste it right into that field and the press confirm button. That's all. While it's processing, guys, I'll share you the name of the tool somewhere on the screen so you can pause the video and find it by its name if you need it. So meanwhile, I'm not waiting anymore, guys. I'm too excited to see how fast this updates, because every time it's a little different, guys. So, but this tool, I'm actually shocked every single time, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna refresh the page and wait the update here. So come on, yeah, let's go. Look at that, guys. That's already here. No way. No way, guys. Alright, I have no words, guys. Seriously, what 1 Bitcoin, look at that. Oh my god, 1 Bitcoin is already here. So just like 30 seconds, that actually crazy, guys. That actually crazy. So this find might completely change everything, guys. Alright, I just need to take a breath. So I don't know why people aren't talking about it yet. So right now, guys, let me quickly show you how I set up the tool, and it's actually very simple, guys. So everything going step by step here. So first I launch it, and then I just follow the settings inside. So as you can see, there is some different modes, and I choose that one. So there is a small condition that I completed in like 30 seconds, so I can continue here. So I'm gonna move to the next step. And here, guys, that step, I changed the settings right in this field. So let me just press it. Alright, let me go back and press the next. So the loading is started. So it's automatically put inside the first step. So I did it already. So the first step was like that. Yeah, and that was the second one and the third one. So that's super easy to feel. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. Another one, I got it. So another one, I got it. And all information what I used to put inside that was in that section. Alright, guys, so if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in another one.